Hey everybody, it's the G here with G Junior.
What's going on, everybody?
All right, we found a couple more victims, so here we go. The wife is going to kill us, but we found some nice victims here.
We need content.
We need content and we need some parts.
Keep myself entertained.
Yep, we need content for the channel. So here we go. We have a Murray with a nasty looking bag and another Murray
With a ripped up bag. I think these are just scrap, but
they might be scrap. I think that's kind of scrap.
bags no good on this thing.
Well, we'll take the bags. We'll just get rid of the bags. Alrighty, everybody. Here we are picking up some trash in the neighborhood for content. Possibly these will be going straight to the metal yard, but at least we're getting them out of the neighborhood. We'll talk to y'all later. Please subscribe.